chopped cheese dogs. Alright, you guys, we are here in Williamsburg in Brooklyn, and we are going to Crif Dogs right on Driggs and North 7th. So come on, let's go. In Astoria. I grew up in Queens, so this is my hometown. Nice to be back. We are in this little spot called Compton's, and it's this amazing sandwich shop. First off, we're going to try chopped cheese, but a little background about chopped cheese. It is a New York City staple. You're not going to find it in any of the menus. I'm going to wait for that truck to go by. Big city living, you get used to all the sounds. So again, going back to chopped cheese, you're not going to find any of the menus in any of the restaurants because it's kind of like, you kind of have to be a local to know about chopped cheese, and still a lot of people don't know about chopped cheese. But basically, it started out in bodegas in and around the city, mostly in Upper Manhattan, like Spanish Harlem area and Harlem, and pretty much it is kind of New York City's version of the Philly cheesesteak. So there are places that use thinly cut beef, there are places that use ground beef, but pretty much it is beef chopped up into really small pieces, then some cheese melted on top of it, and then thrown in a bun or bread or whatever, and it's pretty much, yeah, so that's it. And we are gonna try their version of the chopped cheese. Just a little shout out to the custom shop. They have their own sandwich here, custom shop, where I get a lot of the work done on Bagheera. Turn to Bagheera. Okay, we're gonna go inside and we're gonna order. The bodega is exactly how it looks like. Little pieces of meat, of beef, with cheese, and peppers. You could get it, lettuce, tomato, onions, but that's pretty much just chopped meat and cheese. Heading to the picnic area in Brooklyn Bridge Park. Got some grills there set up. We got some picnic tables. So, what are we making today? As you know, as you saw in the videos, we did some food exploring for some New York eats. We did the chopped cheese and we did the hot dog. Both huge New York staples. So what we're gonna do today is we are gonna combine those and make my own version. So we're gonna call it the chopped cheese dog, the big chopped cheese dog. So where you got some ground beef, we got some cheese, we got some dogs. You can see it's a really easy recipe. And it's gonna be yummy, 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 yummy. So, gorgeous views. Right here, the grilling. Where you're gonna do some grilling. We got the marina overlooking Lower Manhattan. The Freedom Tower back there. One of my favorite spots in Brooklyn. Chill out, hang out, read a book, and of course, eat. So today we are making chopped cheese dogs, a combination of two New York City staples. So we're going to start with some ground beef. We're going to throw that on the grill. Here, I already put the onions on. It's gonna take a little while, so I'm gonna let those keep on going. We're just gonna cook the beef till it is all good and cooked. When you're cooking on the griddle, these are some of the best tools. This is kind of like a pizza scraper, and this is just, it's a palette knife. These are good to just chop away. Use beef, use chicken. Salt, some pepper, all right, that's just about done. I'm gonna move that over to the warm side, keep it warming. I'm gonna put the dogs on here. Let's grill these dogs. Dogs are cooking. We are going to put some cheese. Generally, it is American or cheddar cheese on the chopped cheese, but you know me, I like the spice. So we got jack cheese. some buns. Just get it toasted a little bit. Get the grill marks. You guys, voila, super easy, probably even easier than the bacon plantain recipe that I made a few weeks ago. So if you haven't, check out my link underneath. I'll link it so that you can watch that one too. But let's try this. So New York hot dog, chopped cheese hot dog. Let's try it out. Here's the best of both worlds, you guys. You should definitely try this. Easy. You can make a whole pot of this chopped cheese stuff. Like if you're cooking for a lot of people, just get those dogs on the grill, and you will be the life of the party, the life of your next event. So definitely try this out. I'm gonna continue to eat, but guys, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Don't forget to hit that bell to notify you when we get more videos. And check out my Patreon link down below as well, so you get the recipes and some other good stuff on there, okay? So guys, thank you for joining me. It is a beautiful day here in Brooklyn. Got the city in the back, so I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this with this view.